Good morning, dear students. I am now talking about equilibriant vector. If you have vector more than 2 and you have 2, then the result, what will be the result? And I am talking, let this is object and one vector along this side and one vector along this side. This is vector A, this is vector B. What will be the resultant? You can construct a parallelogram. I am constructing here like this. This is your resultant. This is your resultant. And what is equilibriant vector? अगर आप के दो वेक्टर ए और बी हो या एज्यूम करेंगे दो फोर्स हो तो उनका रिजल्ट ये हुआ, तो उस रिजल्ट को बैलेंस करने के लिए आप जो एक वेक्टर यूज करेंगे, उस वेक्टर को हम इक्विलिब्रिएट वेक्टर कह देते हैं. दैट वेक्टर विच टेक्स द बॉडी इन इक्विलिब्रियम. This I want to say. However, if you have two forces acting on the body moving in this direction, the result is this. But you want to make body in equilibrium. It means you want bodies to stay in the same situation. You have to apply the force. You have to apply the vector along this side. तो इस वेक्टर के जो आपका इक्विलिब्रिएंट वेक्टर हुआ, दिस इज योर इक्विलिब्रिएंट वेक्टर इक्वल टू दिस अपोजिट टू डायरेक्शन. Means equilibriant vector is for a number of vector, equilibriant is vector, that vector which is the resultant, which is opposite to the resultant of the all vectors and the same magnitude and the opposite to direction of the resultant. Let me tell you a number of forces acting. Suppose one force along this side, another along this side, along this side, along this side, along this side. What will be the resultant? You can use polygon law of vectors. I am using here this, 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 this. This is what will be the resultant? This is the resultant. These all are in same order. And this is in opposite. This is resultant. The resultant of all these 5 is this vector. This is resultant. And you have to find the equilibriant vector. This is the equilibriant vector, which is opposite and equal to the resultant. Which is opposite and equal to the resultant. This is equilibriant vector. रिजल्टेंट क्या हुआ? इन सभी फोर्सेस का रिजल्टेंट क्या हुआ? ये हुआ. इन फोर्सेस का रिजल्टेंट क्या हुआ? ये हुआ. इन इसका 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 ये रिजल्टेंट हुआ. और आपका इक्विवेलेंट क्या होगा? अब आपको रिजल्टेंट नहीं चाहिए, आपको इसके अपोजिट इस डायरेक्शन में अप्लाई करते हैं. दिस इज इक्विलिब्रिएंट वेक्टर. एंड रिमेंबर दैट इक्विलिब्रिएंट वेक्टर, if you apply there, if you apply these 5 and this 6th, what will be the result? Result is 0. Polygon is closed. All are in same order, resultant in opposite order. But if you apply this equilibrium here like this, then all are in the same order. Close. आपकी polygon ही close हो गया, triangle close हो जाए, रेक्टेंगल क्लोज हो जाए, तो रिजल्ट क्या हो जाएगा? 0. दिस इज आई वांट टू से. थैंक यू.